Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw XDC from Bitrue to XMO in 2025. If you're holding XDC on Bitrue and want to move it to XMO for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything since crypto transactions are irreversible. Let's dive in step by step. First, make sure you have accounts on both Bitrue and XMO and that your XDC is available in your Bitrue wallet. Start by logging into your Bitrue account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funds section. It's usually on the main dashboard. Here, find and select XDC from your list of assets. Next, look for the Withdraw option next to XDC. This might be a button or a tab. Click on it to open the withdrawal form. Now, you'll need the XMO wallet address for XDC. Head over to your XMO account, go to your wallet, and copy the XDC deposit address. Be extra careful here. Paste this address accurately into the Bitrue withdrawal form to avoid any mishaps. Enter the amount of XDC you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, so check those details on Bitrue's interface. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, you'll be prompted to verify the transaction. Go ahead and do that for security. After confirming, review all the details one last time. Once you're sure, hit the Confirm Withdrawal button. You'll get a confirmation message and the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, log back into XMO and check your wallet to confirm the XDC has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your XDC. A quick tip. Always use the latest app versions and keep an eye on gas fees if you're on a blockchain like Shinfin. If you run into any issues, reach out to the exchange support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.